Today I wired up a wigwag railroad crossing signal, and here's the pipe going under the tracks into the base, and then main power coming in. And I will show you the inner workings of the wigwag in just a minute. And here's the switch to turn on the wigwag signal, and it also has a mechanical bell up top. The mechanical bell on the wigwag does not work. This is the inner workings of the wigwag. You have the wires going in from the underground conduit into here, into this plug socket, and this power supply is plugged in to that plug socket. And in the back there are two wires running into this conduit right here, which goes out to the signal, and the other two wires run into that switch. But this is the 12-volt power supply for the system, and everything else has been removed as it isn't needed to run the wigwag signal. And that is what I was working on today. My signals will be placed somewhere around here, bungalow probably in between these two tracks, and the other signal right over there by that track switch. And I'll hook up my phase motion detector to these tracks. Still don't know how I'm going to predict the train using the switch track right there, but I'll figure that out another day. And here's the line that goes down for about another quarter of a mile at dead ends. And this is the road crossing where my signals will be used.